Hey, what's happening? YouTube, Hotshot Trucking. It's Zant, Man Mile Logistics. Over here, or down here, Daphne, Alabama. Construction site, of course. 12.5 on the AC unit, 10 wide, 33 feet long. I'll be looking for a blue beacon, especially after this. For you guys that run oversized loads, that's a 48-inch banner that I have. A 48-inch load oversized banner. That way you don't have to worry about those 84s that cover up your whole radiator and possibly your headlights, depending on whether or not you have a 3500, a 5500, or a 4500. I did turn my four-wheel drive on, although they said, hey, it was packed and they have a vibratory roller going around packing it, but it was still deep mud and I didn't want to take the chance of getting stuck, requiring somebody to, have to pull me out. Yep, so it's a fairly easy load. Water hose wasn't too deep. Looked like the box may have hit some water at some point. Other than that, it was pretty good on my ground clearance. It's that red clay gravel. Yeah, if I don't wash this quickly, that'll be a permanent color. The crane is going to unload me at 9. I'm here about 45 minutes early. Well, we get this stuff signed for, so when they take it off, I can just drive off. Just like always, this is Ant from Ant Mile Logistics. I'm out.